Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW F30 or F31, guys, if you need to remove or replace windshield wipers, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that from start to finish. Also, we'll explain where you can get those wipers from for a really good price and quick shipping as well, guys. We got them for amazing price, way cheaper than going to the dealership, and they're still original BMW wipers. Now, before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this generation BMW, we'll have even more. We'll take it completely apart. We'll show you how to fix almost anything on it, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy the wipers, we'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we got them from. So let's start on it now. This is, guys, specifically 2013 model, but it will work on most of them. Let's explain, okay, what we need to do. Those are the brand new wipers, and we'll share the link, as I said, in the description of the video below. So let me just come on this side. We're going to pull them out. They're individually wrapped. One is longer, one is shorter. We'll get the long one first, guys, okay, and replace the one on the long side. This is on the long one is on the driver's side, actually. Okay, this is the other one. So how we do that now, guys? Okay, check out on your wipers. Okay, you're going to have two things right here, one on this side, one on this side. You squish both of them and you pull it a little bit while you're pressing both of them in. Okay, you're going to, okay, let's press them. We're going to pull forward a little bit. Now lift the wiper a little bit up, come in an angle. Okay, come in an angle like that to come out of that lip. The wiper comes out, guys. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now we get a new wiper. Okay, check it out now. You go in an angle like this one to make sure it goes here. Now press both of the teeth in and you're ready to go. Now one more, guys. Okay, the same thing on this side. You press those things in. Okay, you come out in an angle, it comes out. Now you come right there, go through that hoop, push, press those in, push up. You have to press them in, otherwise you can say bye-bye to it, guys. Okay, perfect. And let's go ahead and test them, guys. I'll come on the inside. Okay, let's go actually on the inside. I'll turn them, guys, and see how good they clean. We even locked the car. So let's see if they work good. So I'm gonna close the door. I don't want to get wet. Okay, let's turn the ignition on. Okay, music off. And wow, check this thing out, guys. It's like brand new BMW, just like it came out of the dealership. Amazing wiper. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.